So, like yesterday, right after lunch is not the best time for meditating or, and even listening to teachings. People tend to go like that. So we'll have a discussion this afternoon, like before. And I thought we'd talk about our daily Dharma practice. Yeah, and so that people can share some of their thoughts about that. Okay? So like yesterday, we'll start out with a little bit of watching the breath, and I'll ask some questions, and then you'll break down into groups of 5 people, not more, because that if you have 5 people, then for sure everybody will have enough time to speak. Okay, we'll do the discussion group, take a short break, and then after that, continue with rebirth. Okay? So begin, let your mind settle. Whoops, we're having a lot of feedback. Let your mind settle. Come back to your breath. Okay, so the first question to contemplate is, what is your daily meditation practice now? What does it consist of? What practices are you doing? Do you do it regularly? What is the benefit of doing your daily practice? And then what would you like your daily meditation practice to be? And what would be a realistic daily meditation practice for you? So not just your ideal, which you may not have the time or ability to do, but what is practical for you as a daily meditation practice that you would like to have that would really enhance your life? So be quite practical and realistic here. And then how can you create the causes to have the kind of daily meditation practice that you would like to have and that is practical and suitable for you to have at this moment? So what do you need to do in terms of gathering information or knowledge? In what do you need to do in terms of rearranging your schedule or making things known to other people in your life? So in other words, what steps can you take to bring about having the kind of daily practice that you would like to have? think of the benefit that you'll receive from arranging things in your life so you can have a good daily practice. And imagine how good you would feel about yourself in doing this. So think of the benefits. Okay, so to review the questions, what's your daily meditation practice now? What does it consist of? Do you do it regularly? And what benefit do you derive from it at present? Okay. And then second, what would you like your daily meditation practice to be? And what would be a realistic and practical daily meditation practice for you that would enhance your life? You know, that you would have enough time to do, enough ability to do. Okay, so, and then third is how can you create the causes to have the kind of meditation practice that is practical and suitable for you to have at this moment, knowing that as you deepen your practice, you know, you'll be able to do more and be more consistent. But what's practical for you now? And you know, how do you create the causes for doing that in terms of figuring out or learning, you know, what practice you're supposed to do and for how long, and you know, things like this. How do you create the causes to have that kind of practice? And then fourth, think of the benefit that you'll receive from arranging your life in such a way that you can do a daily meditation practice, preferably in the morning, but some people are evening people, so that's okay. And so it may, necessitate watching less TV, gossiping on the phone less, not texting so many people, so you have to juggle your life and see what's most important for you. Okay, and how to arrange that. Okay, so break up into groups of 5 people each. First, let me finish the instructions, and then in each group, everybody speaks maybe 3 or 4 minutes at a time. Lots of feedback still. And 3 or 4 minutes at a time, so that everybody in the group has a chance to speak. And after everybody has spoken, then you can have more crosstalk. So again, it shouldn't sound like a restaurant with everybody talking and laughing. It's a serious Dharma discussion, and you need to stay on topic, okay? Just as with your practice, you need to stay on topic, okay? And so you'll do that for about a half an hour, and then I'll come back and we'll debrief, okay? Good. So go to it. Remember, if you're here with a close friend or a relative, go to different groups.